In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Facebook account on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to menu. Once you are in menu, you need to tap right here at that gear to open up Settings and Privacy, and then go to Meta Account Center. Once you are at Meta Account Center, tap Add Personal Details. After that, Account Ownership and Control, and then Deactivation or Deletion. Then select your Facebook account and you will be taken to that page where you need to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. If you just want, to take a break from Facebook, you can just deactivate your account, because deactivating is temporary. Your Facebook profile will be hidden until you reactivate it again. However, if you would like to permanently delete your account, you need to select Delete Account and hit Add Continue. Then continue again. Then select any option from that list and tap Add Continue. Continue one more time. Then scroll down to the very bottom and move on to the next step, where you need to enter your Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap at that button. And then we need to confirm permanent account deletion. It says that you are about to schedule your account for permanent deletion. Once you tap at that button, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and you'll have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information you have added. You can cancel the permanent deletion process in any time simply by logging into your account. That's how you can easily delete your Facebook account on your iPhone.